Welcome to HR Hero Podcast, a space where we navigate the intersection of career, purpose, and leadership. Today, I'm joined by a very special person, a mining guru and innovation specialist, Mishack Pitseng. Mishack, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Okay, so Mishack, we just want to have a discussion around your career, where you started. Where did it start?
Well, my background is primarily on telecommunication and IT. I studied IT after my matric.
Yes.
And I was fascinated by computers.
Oh.
And what computers can do.
Yes.
And lucky for me, I was employed by one of the biggest telecommunication company, the Telkom SA. And through Telkom SA, then I went through their training in terms of the network part.
Yes.
And from there, I became the senior technician in Telkom, where I was able to develop and build network from scratch.
Yes.
So basically, my background is all about IT and telecommunication. I was responsible also for the migration from from analog to digital around the whole Mpumalanga.
Yes.
I was responsible to make sure that the communication, the gap, the digital gap of technology between the rural area and the urban area. Yeah. So that is basically my background. And later on, I was called to join mining.
Yes.
Yeah, I was employed by one of the biggest mining companies in the country.
Who called you to join mining? Was it by chance or just by design?
I think it was by design. It was by design. So I was called because that particular company was moving from analog to digital.
Yes.
So they wanted to open a department called system engineering.
Oh.
So basically where they combine IT and OT.
Yes.
So the operational part and the technical part of engineering and systems.
Yes.
To information technology. So they wanted fairly to make sure that they go into automation.
Yes.
So I was part of the guys that were at the forefront of that innovation and the guys that are actually running things underground, making sure that the automation part of mining can actually take effect. So I was one of the guys that were at the forefront.
Oh, wow. So what qualification did you then achieve? Did you get a diploma in IT or degree or postgraduate?
It was basically a diploma in IT. And remember, IT is changing all the time.
Yeah, it changes.
Hence, when you do a certificate in IT, after 5 years, you have to go and write.
Yes.
It doesn't hold any value anymore.
Continuous improvement.
Continuous improvement. So, in actual fact, I encourage people to go to the private institutions because this is where you can get, a proper training.
Yeah.
On IT. Because if you do your IT for 4 years, the time you finish, some of the subjects are not relevant anymore.
So you'd rather do short courses all the time and improve your skill and be ahead of your peers.
Exactly. Exactly. Once you have that, then you can apply to do maybe a master's in system engineering or in IT. But to start with those small courses, believe me, they do help.
So you extended your love for computers. You've been speaking to computers all your life. Then now you're running your own mining business.
Yeah.
So you extended that love into your mining business and came up with this innovation that is changing things in how mining should be done underground. So can you talk to us about what you do in your business mining? And then the innovation that you introduced and how it's working for you.
So basically, after I think 5 years being employed, I decided because they were actually trying to reconfigure the business, the mining business. And then they starting to change things. I said, okay, this is my opportunity now to risk it all, go out, because there was a huge gap in instrumentation and automation, especially with black companies. You know, all the instrumentation companies were white-based. You know, there was none that I know of. You know, and that is run by black director or black people. So I decided to say, okay, you know what, I'm going to open the company, the system engineering company that actually responsible for instrumentation, electrical and mechanic. You know, so that I can incorporate and integrate all those services. So I went out and I started hiring the graduates, the unemployed artisans.
Oh, so you were managing and reducing the unemployment rate in South Africa.
Yes.
Yeah, you contributed to that.
Yes.
Thank you.
So from there on, we start going out there and do the marketing part. But we built solutions, and I was not afraid to put my money first to show the client that basically I have a big trust in my product. I can come in and use a POC, proof of concept, using my own money. And if you're happy with the product, let me know that you're happy. If you're not happy, gladly I'll go and disassemble my product.
That's an act of faith.
Exactly.
Would you not say that?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's an act of faith. So you knew that what you were putting on the table, it's of great value and it's going to work definitely. And you're able to put your money on it. Wow. Yeah, I love that you could bet on yourself like that.
Exactly. I was so confident in my product. I worked underground. I've seen what I've seen.
Yes.
And then I saw there is a huge space here. And I'm definitely sure that if I build this kind of system, the system will work.
Yeah.
Hence, I was able to put my money where my mouth is.
So what does this system do?
So we do a couple of systems. We install AI cameras.
Yes.
You know, we connect them with the PLC for automations. We do owning systems, especially for your your belts, the belts and the boxes on the ground. And then the one that we so passionate about is your material tracking system, where we can able to track every assets underground. We can track material cars, the cars that are taking material underground for mining. You can know at any given time where your material are underground. 3 kilometers, 2 kilometers, 1 kilometers in.
Yes.
You can able to make sure that your assets are where they're supposed to go.
Yeah.
You know? So that is our system that we built, and we are improving on that system on day-to-day basis.
So there is power there, Mishack, because you don't necessarily need to go underground. You can operate and see what's happening anywhere.
Yes. We build portals. Once we build the infrastructure, we start taking the cars. We start, making sure that everything is where it's supposed to be. Then we build portals. Portals you can log at any time. A manager can log in sitting in Cape Town.
Yes.
And he'll be able to see what's happening underground. He'll be able to see the assets. Is the assets being managed according to the standard? The technician now, they don't have to write when they're doing a job card. They don't have to use the pen. They can just scan it. Once they scan it, and then it goes automatically to the email. And somebody can review it, and from there, they create their job cards and everything.
Yeah. So would you say that has changed the way that you do mining? Have you seen results in terms of productivity before and after? Before the systems and after the systems?
That is a good question. Remember, we have lots of congestion of cars underground. Yeah. And those cars, they're critical for the operation of the mine. So they travel underground. Okay? They travel underground to deliver material.
Yes.
Sometimes they get lost. Or sometimes they get congested in one area. You understand?
Yeah.
So now, if there's a breakdown, and then you need equipment, let me say a pump.
Yeah.
and you have to put it in a car. Then that pump should start from point A to point B.
Yeah. Yes.
So now, in between, there can be problems. So now the system can actually eliminate that. To say, remove whatever that is on there, that is stuck, that bottleneck. Just remove it because we're having a breakdown. This car must come from here until to where the breakdown is. So now,
so the system is actually solution forecast.
Yes, remember, cars supposed to go underground and come out every now and then.
Yes.
So if the cars are not coming out, then they create problems underground. They get broken underground, they're closing the roads underground. So the system actually managed that. Mine overseer or a foreman can see on the system before he can go underground and say, guys, we're having cars on this level. We need to move those cars out. Those cars, yes.
So sometimes the people can say, as much as the introduction of technology is great, well and great, but it can also be viewed as reducing the head count, taking people's jobs. What do you have to say about that?
Well, first of all, technology alone cannot work. Technology alone cannot work. So technology needs interaction, human interaction. People, instead of using certain things that can cause harm, they can use technology to make sure that harm is not happening to them.
Okay. So we must embrace the use of technology.
Technology, I mean, innovation. We talked about, I'm running an innovation company. How many people have I employed so far? You know, it's actually putting more people and more manpower into the mining sector or in any industry, you know, than reducing. So the more you put technology. Technology is basically there to make things easy and so that people can be safe.
So I'm going to ask you as we wrap up to say this love story. Is it a love story of technology meets mining or mining meets technology? Because there's a connection there.
Yes. Basically, yes. Basically, it's just like technology meeting mining. And then I think also with the way we used to do things. You know, the way we used to mine has changed completely. We used to do conventional mining. You know, the analog way of doing things. Now, technology is coming in to say, actually, we can do this better and increase productivity at the same time. You know, you can take this technology, embrace it, make sure that we have overview of what you basically doing underground, and also increase the turnaround time. And you know, the production will go up because now small things that will take 3 hours to do, now they're taking an hour to do. So basically, the production will always increase.
Of course, the results are there, the outcomes are visible. So there's also a business opportunity there to develop this technology for other mining businesses. So you've got plenty on your plate to think about. I love that. So what advice, Mishack, would you give to anyone wanting to step into your career profession as an IT specialist, or somebody aspiring to get into mining, or a business owner, a mining business owner, to get to the level of efficiency and operational effectiveness that you're experiencing today? What's your advice looking into the camera?
Well, for the mining owners and the GMs, the people that are running the operations, be open-minded with the changes and the technology that come. Don't just, you know, say, no, it's just waste of time. Technology is there to assist the way we do mining. Also, the most important thing is the safety aspect of the technology. Is the safety aspect. Embrace it. I'm saying embrace it. But for those who want to get into the industry, do your proper analysis, do your proper investigation. Check what is there in terms of the devices. Devices, remember, you build solutions based on the devices. You know, come up with your own POC, proof of concept. Build it yourself. Spend money, if you have to, on those devices. Make sure that after you build those devices, you are happy to go and sell the product. You know. So once you have confidence about your product, come and sell it. You know, come and sell it, but do proper investigation first.
Oh, that's great. Mishack, Pitseng, thank you for joining the conversation. Yeah, that was Mishack Pitseng, the mining guru, the innovator. What a great, inspiring conversation we had. Let's be intentional with our development. On to the next. We are.